So, we are done. We are done. Tell them. The corn is so yummy. So, a few minutes ago, we go to the beach and take a bath. We didn't film it, but yeah, it's fun in the beach.
Maybe tomorrow. Oh, di ko enjoy.
Tomorrow we're gonna enjoy. Mukbang with Lexer. Gulo ng buhok. Mukhang ba? With Lexer. Hi. Next. Like y'all. Look at her mess. So dirty. Sakop niya na po ang dalawang. Siguro may blush blindness ka no? Blind. Blush blindness. Wow! Okay guys, so we're on our way. We're on our way to dinner. It's Charis. Charis. This is Nicole. Wow. We're on our way to dinner. Let's go. Lola, hi sa vlog. Mag-hi ka. Hi. Alam mo nang
Dali, nandito ako. Wow! Sheesh! Dito maganda nito lang pa sa taas. Really?
Huwag na sa usyan sa swimming pool na lang.
Bawal na sa Ultra.